This is the first day of my life.
Kung may nagsabi siguro sa atin noong first year college tayo, habang sa PE class at naglalaro ng Scrabble, na balang araw tatayo tayo dito, bilang bride and groom. Baka parehas lang tayong natawa. Pero totoo nga, siguro na may mga bagay nagsisimula sa simpleng pagkakataon.
Yours is the first face that I saw.
Habang sumusunod sa baha at naglilipat kami ng gamit pataas sa kapitbahay, sa kabilang kamay, sige pa rin ang reply ko. Doon ko na-realize na oo na ako sa'yo kasi importante ka na pala sa akin.
And so I thought I'd let you know. Yeah, these things take forever. I especially am slow.
Thank you po.
But I realized that I need you, and I wondered if I could come home.
Kaya naman, pagkahupa ng baha at pag-alis ng bagyo, sinagot na kita gamit ang dalawang O sa kamay ko na siya namang kinatalon sa tuwa.
Remember the time we drove all night, right?
Grabe.
Just to meet me in the morning.
Doon nagsimula ang lahat. Naging magkaibigan, naging best friend, at syempre, naging official mong taga-kopya ng quiz. Sa quiz at exam.
True.
This is the first day of my life. I'm glad I didn't die before I
Hanggang
met you.
ngayon, nasasabi kong isa sa pinakamagandang desisyon
But
ko
now I
sa
don't
buhay
care, I could go
ang
anywhere.
magpapansin sa'yo ng araw.
And I'd probably be happy. So if you wanna be with me, if these things there's no telling, we just have to wait and see. But I'd rather be working for a paycheck than waiting to win the lottery.
We might be at the height of our emotion.
Besides, maybe this
Mahal
time
ninyo
is
ang isa't
different.
isa,
I mean,
and
I
I do
really
not
think
question
you're
that.
like me.
But eventually, ang damdamin ay nagsasubside. Darating ang panahon na kung minsan ang nararamdaman ay nagbabago. Pero mapapanatili ninyo ang pag-ibig na yan kung ang pag-ibig na inyong nararamdaman sa bawat isa ay katulad ng pag-ibig na itinalaga sa atin ni Jesus. Ang pag-ibig ni Jesus ay tapat at hindi nagbabago kailanman.
Give me the key. I'll bring the car back. We shouldn't be in this town.
Imagine 83% of our lives we have each other. I did the math. And this is our lifetime percentage together forever. I love you, your Ansi.
1.5 yung makeup mo.
Won't you throw a piece of paper where I wrote, I'll wait for you. There's a
You
key
are my
on the chain. There's a picture in a
Ikaw ang number one kakampi ko. I can tell you anything without fear of being judged.
and run like you run from the law. Darling, let's run from it all. We can go where our eyes can take us, go where no one.
We've seen every version of each other. From student, a dreamer, sa pag-ipon, pagkaligaw, pagkakaroon ng takot, pagkakamali at muling pagbangon. Through every season of our lives, we kept choosing each other.
See you laugh like a child.
Kapag mahina ako,
Sing like no
ikaw ang lakas ko. Kapag nawawalan ako ng direksyon, ikaw ang nagpapaalala kung bakit tayo nagsimula.
I could see this
At kapag naikli na naman ang pasensya ko, ikaw pa rin ang nagtitiisa.
eyes. So give me a reason and don't say no, no. And the note from the locket, you keep it in your pocket since I gave it to you. There's a heart on your sleeve, I'll take it when I leave and hold it for you. And and run, like you run from the law. Darling, let's run, run from it all. We can go like they're trying to chase us, go where no one else is. Run, ooh, run.
Keanu at Eliza, maaari na kayong humarap sa sambayanan at Keanu, maaari yung langhagkan ang iyong may bahay.
There's been this hole in my heart.
This thing was a shot in the dark.